Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to delete a particular data row from a database table. This is a very much important and all you have to understand about how to delete a data row from your convenient database table. Before going to delete a database like a table data row, you have to strongly understand about it whether you are particularly deleting what you are requesting data row or some other data that you have to understand first. Then only you have to appropriately perform a data of a delete query in your database table. Okay. Now see here, to understanding which data record you want to delete means like a writing in a select query by applying where clause here and making an ID, which ID you are uniquely identifying that particular row and making it is in a like a value of the data row. Now you will execute whether you are able to filtering the data row accurately or not. Yes, I'm going to delete from the out of the data rows are available here three. From out of this, what I'm trying to doing is this ID one row I'm trying to delete. So I'm verifying whether I'm able to filtering a particularly unique row from the out of the data table or not. It's very clearly I'm able to getting here. As you seen here, it is in a result set. If I execute the query statement, I'm able to getting one. Now let's see here. This is the one Mary 23232 is the phone number. Okay, and how the where clause will work. If I put it is in a 2, if I want to delete, and let's check here the 2 I am able to getting. So this is the query is perfectly it's working for selection and what I am selecting and what the value I am sending there it's coming perfectly. Now what the delete operation is very simple. See here, delete from table. Where is the table here? See here, reg underscore user, where we have to write the where class. Otherwise, you will be deleted complete database table successfully. Before going to delete operations you are performing and you are trying to learning, always try to take a copy of the table data along with the schema as a backup and try to practice more and more. Okay, and you are not fit to start begin with the production servers. Try to first in your local server the database and multiple tables and begin jump start to staging server. Then you are understand as you are able to getting and writing the queries, and then you can jump start to move into the production server environments. Okay, now let's see here where I'm passing ID and which row I want to delete here. And here one the row of the one which I want to delete from the database. Delete from registering user ID where it's mailing is unfortunate it is typing mistake. Now let's see here. Select the query and execute the statement. Now one row is affected means the query is executed successfully. We'll see here and refresh the table by executing the SQL query. Now see there is a no more records. The ID which is deleted right now. Okay, that is a very simple, easy way to delete the data rows from the database in using Microsoft SQL Server Studio. In existing, why I am using this query means you have to understand how to delete. Otherwise, if it is in a lakhs of data and you need to identify a single particular row with a unique identity and you have to pass the value based on the column name, and once you identify it, then you perform the query of deletion. Now see, and one more another way it is there. Once you go to the table and edit top 200 rows, now you select the row which row you don't want to continue with this table, and you just press on right click here, and now see here it's a delete option it is there. Just press the delete. It will ask you about you are about to deleting one row. Click S to permanently delete this row. You won't be able to undo these changes. If If you are permanently standard and you are aware of this question answer, you just press yes. Once you press the yes, the data will be vanished and deleted from the table. All right. Likewise, you can use either using this or using editor. And editor is advised for small scale databases only. If it is in a large scale and extensive databases, like lakhs of data is available in your particular tables, and it will take you much time to open all the table. And it's a very difficulty to find out where your record. And here, write in a query of select statement and passing unique identity to filtering the data row, which is a very pretty easy to get the filtered data row. And you can make it as a delete operation for that filtered data row. It won't take much time. It's all about to filtering and writing the data rows. That's it. I hope you better understand how to write the delete query statement. The same way you can extend to write many, how you are going to be write more complex to delete the records as your wish. This is the basic funda you want to learn. That's it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.